Discover the secrets of Lady Liberty with our insider guide to Skip the Line Statue of Liberty tours. Avoid the long queues and crowded ferries with these 7 tips that will elevate your visit to this iconic landmark. Start your day off right with an early morning tour for a serene experience and the best photo opportunities. Explore the pedestal for a unique perspective and learn about the statue's history and construction at the museum inside. For the ultimate experience, book a crown tour in advance to climb the narrow steps and enjoy panoramic views of New York Harbor. Expert guides will bring the history of Lady Liberty to life with fascinating stories and little-known facts. Take advantage of insider access to Ellis Island, where millions of immigrants entered America, and explore areas usually off-limits to the public. Don't forget to visit the gift shop, where you can enjoy skip-the-line perks and find unique, locally made souvenirs. For a magical end to your visit, consider a sunset tour with a champagne toast as you watch the Statue of Liberty illuminate against the New York skyline. These tours offer a deeper connection to this American icon and create memories that last a lifetime. Don't settle for a rushed experience. Book your Skip the Line tour today and prepare for an adventure you'll never forget. Unlock Lady Liberty's secrets and make the most of your visit with our insider tips. Experience the history, beauty, and symbolism of this iconic landmark like never before. Your ultimate Statue of Liberty adventure awaits.